Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos we have learned about many things using React 18 and I hope you enjoy that all stuff which we have done yet using React 18. So today we are also doing another video using React 18 and I hope you'll be enjoying today's video as well. So in today's video I'll be telling you basically what are parameters in React 18 and how you can work with parameters. So we have learned about many things using React 18, like we have just learned about what are React routers, what are match routes. In the previous video we have learned about that. Then we have also learned about like basically what is you can say UI transition hook and basically what is use trans state effect. Like this we have learned about many things. So today we will be learning about the project here, and today's project will be about, like I'm telling you, today we are learning about parameters. So I'll be telling you basically what are the parameters, and there are many types of parameters. We will be using one or two parameters in this video. So remember to see this video from start to end if you want to learn how to work with parameters and how you can just start to and create project using parameters. So if you enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell so you can just see all the coming up videos. And remember to share this video so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. And just I'll be uploading more videos like that using React 18 in future as well, and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying that video. So just now we'll be starting with our today's video and seeing basically what are parameters and how you can use it start to end using React 18. So just like I'm telling you, we'll be just working with React 18, and using React 18, we'll be just building an amazing project. And today in this video, I will be telling you how to use parameters, and using parameters, how we can build the project of React 18. So for working these parameters, here you have to open your VS Code if you want to work with these parameters. After opening your VS Code, here we have to open the folder. So in the first React 18 video, we have created our folder of app1, and we are using this folder since the long time when we are working with React 18. So I will be moving to file, press open folder. Our folder was in local disk E with the name of app1. You can see this is the folder. I'll be pressing select folder to open this. After opening this folder, now I will be going to new terminal and running my React app by writing the command of npm start. Now our React app will be running here. So first of all, till it is running, we have to open our main files here. So our main file is these two, which is called app.js and app.css. So in the previous video, we were learning about control inputs, and in the control inputs, we have learned about like basically what are control inputs and how you can build form using control inputs. So these are the codes of that. I will be removing these all stuff from here. And after removing, just you have to save it here and then move down and then remove these all stuff from here as well. After removing, just you have to save it again, so it will be saving all the stuff which you have done. Just you have to not erase this URL of font because it will be needing, so when we want to work with these fonts, so we can use here. So now you can see it is now running our React app, and now it is showing the starting development server command, and it will be opening our development server in our default Microsoft Edge browser. Now I will be doing it side by side, and I'll be now pressing Control B. But before that, we have to change the title as well. First of all, we have to get the command compiled successfully, then we have to move on, and then we'll be changing the title. So we have to check. You can see now we are getting the command saying compiled successfully. You can now view app1 in the browser, so means that it is successfully working. So I'll be closing my terminal here and then changing the title, because in today's video we are learning about what are parameters. So here I will be now moving, and then I will be writing here parameters. Then you have to save. You can see title has been changed to parameters here. Then I will be moving to main app.js file, and now we'll be working with parameters and seeing basically what are the parameters and how you can work with this. So basically parameters are the thing, or are the objects which you use to link with any other substance. Like if you want to make any tag here, like if I make a radio button here, so for building radio button you have to write input type radio, then you have to close it, and in radio button I will be now giving it the name as like category 1, like this. If I give it the name, so after giving it the name, like I will be saving it. Then here if I just save, you can see nothing happens. It will be taking some time to reload our page here. So I will be saving it here, and then you have to just see that it is working. So I will be now moving here. So you have to check that all stuff. So I will be now moving here, and then after just writing these all stuff, you can see now we are just not getting our parameters here. So if I just now move down, and then if I just do one thing, like I will be moving, because it is not showing this because we are just using wrong input tag. We have to use same input tag, but here we have to use in this. So I will be writing radio, then I will be closing this, save it. Now you can see now it is showing me the radio button. After showing this radio button, here you have to move and then give it the name as like category 1. So here I will be now writing category 1. Save. Now you will be seeing that we are getting the radio button, and with this radio button we are getting here category 1, means that this is our first parameter which we are getting. Now I will be copying this radio button link which we have written here and pasting it. And after pasting here you have to save. You can see we are getting many categories, so we have to use br tag to give spacing here. So I will be now copying this br tag as well, and then I will be pasting it down so we can get some spacing on our radio buttons. So simply here as well I will be doing same thing. After doing this, here I will be now writing 5 4 3, then I will be writing here to save. Now we are getting it on different lines here, and you can see our radio button has been selecting here as well. And if you want to unselect it, you can refresh it, so it will be automatically unselected from here. After unselecting, you can just use different tags here as well. So if I just move down, and if I want to use any tag here, like there is one other parameter which is called checkbox. So I will be writing input type is equals to, and in type I will be writing here checkbox. So here you have to write checkbox, then close it, save. You can see now we are getting checkbox here as well. You can also use br tag here as well to make it in the another line here. So I will be moving down and making here br tag, and then you have to just use br tag here like this, save. You can see now it is having 2 line space that you have to write here in this checkbox, like you can say just one. And here I will be writing food. You can say here I will be writing different food name like burger if I write. Then I will be now just writing input tag again like this, type, and then this time I will be writing type checkbox, and here you have to close it. And then I will be now just writing here pizza. Then you have to move right here, type is equals to checkbox, and then close it. Here I will be now just writing fries like this. I'm just now writing different food name. You can see we are getting the food name, but we will be using br tag here as well to make it on the second line. You can see we have just written, paste it, then save. You can see now it is on the second lines, and we are now getting our checkbox here. You can also uncheck it and you can check it. You can see these are the parameters, like these are the 2 parameters which I have shown you. Now again I will be copying these 3 br tags here and pasting it here. So now I will be creating third parameter which is called date time. So here I will be now creating import date. Then you have to write here today. So after writing this, save it. You can see now we are just getting this today written here. You can just erase this because we will be not needing. And in the starting I will be writing this. So here I will be now writing today. Save. You can see now we are just getting it here. So I will be now giving some space. So here again you can see here we are just now getting spacing here. So now we are just getting our date time like this. So after getting these all stuff, you can select here the date and the time which you want to select. So you can just see this. You can also select today's date, like today is 23. So if I write here 23, it is automatically will be selecting here because I have written today here. And you can see now it is showing me 3 parameters. One parameter is my radio buttons, which is shown by this parameter. Then second parameter is our check boxes. You can also uncheck and check these boxes here. Then in the end we are just showing the another third, which is called third parameter, and this third parameter is of date type text. So this was the thing which I want to show you, and these are called parameters which we are getting through React 18. I hope you understand basically what are parameters and how you can work with this using React 18. So if you have understand, enjoy this video, and if you have learned how to use parameters and how many categories of parameters are, and there are many other categories of parameters, means there are many or available parameters on the market, but we have used the 3 main basic parameters which a beginner wants to learn about. So just I hope you understand this video. If you have understand, enjoy to, so hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. I'll be uploading more videos like that in future, and I hope you'll be understanding and enjoying that videos as well. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.